Say goodbye to sciatica nerve pain by following these easy steps. Today, we're going to dive headfirst into the intriguing world of sciatica pain and discover an unexpected hero in the form of, wait for it, copper. Yep, that shiny, versatile metal that can do more than just make your pennies all sparkly. So my friends, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this magical journey of alleviating sciatica pain in just 5 minutes. Sciatica pain is related to the sciatic nerve, which, by the way, is the longest and largest nerve in your entire body, excluding your spinal cord. It's basically the superstar of all nerves. 90% of sciatica cases involve those sneaky little discs in your spine. Those discs can really test our patience, can't they? But fear not, copper to the rescue. Yes, my comic book loving friends, copper is not just for fancy jewelry or historical statues. It can actually help ease inflammation and pain. How cool is that, right? You see, copper plays a vital role in tackling nerve-related issues like sciatica. It's like that trusty sidekick that ensures every nerve is functioning at its best. And guess what? Some people actually suffer from copper deficiency, which can lead to all sorts of nerve problems. Who knew, right? Now, hold on to your hats, folks. Here's a mind-blowing fact. The enzymes responsible for building collagen, yes, that important stuff in your discs, rely on copper as an essential cofactor. There is more. Now, let's unveil the culprits behind copper deficiency. Brace yourselves, folks, because this list is longer than a sci-fi movie sequel. We've got copperless diets, intense workouts at high altitude, too much zinc, iron, potassium, or niacin without the company of copper, consuming enriched flour. Oh, and guess what, folks? Copper absorption issues can also be genetic, but fear not because we have some tricks up our sleeves. So, my fellow defenders of the sciatic nerve, let's not forget about our trusty pal, food. Yes, good old-fashioned eating. Turns out, some delicious treats are high in copper. Liver, oysters, shellfish, dark chocolate, the sugar-free kind, mind you, cashews, and meat all can get your copper levels soaring. Who knew you could eat your way to sciatica relief? Now, in case your taste buds aren't fans of copper-rich foods, fret not. Copper supplements are here to save the day. Just remember, if you have a genetic copper issue, you might need a little extra copper love. But folks, if you tried all these copper-powered tricks and sciatica nerve is still holding its ground, fear not. Our team of experts is ready to go into superhero mode, offering complimentary consultations to you and your loved ones to see if you qualify for foundational correction, a new and unique form of chiropractic care. Yes, we've got your back, quite literally. Well, that's all for today, folks. Remember, when life gives you sciatica pain, use copper to make penny jokes and give that pain a 1-2 punch. Boom! Stay copper fueled, my friends, and until next time, stay super.